I missed you guys so much. I miss vlogging, bro. I haven't vlogged since Israel. I missed it so much. By the way, more Israel vlogs will come. Just be patient. But I missed you guys. I miss vlogging. Today's a special day. One of my coworkers is like, we should vlog because it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Callie. So this one's for you, Callie. Okay, let's go. What's up, Maggie?
What's up?
Did you make a lunch?
I did make a lunch.
Did you make me a lunch?
I did not make you a lunch.
Why didn't you make me a lunch, Maggie?
You're old enough to make your own.
Ah! Hey, you know what day it is?
I can't hear anything you're saying.
Do you know what day it is?
What's today?
Callie's birthday.
It is Callie's
birthday. What are we gonna do for her birthday?
I don't know.
Oh, I know.
I thought that was...
Can we do something like this? Oh! That's all we should do for her birthday.
What? What?
Callie! Callie! Callie!
What? There's no one back here.
Hey.
Are you vlogging right now?
No?
Yes,
Hey.
you so are.
Hey.
Hey.
It's your birthday.
It's a
this is the girls section. Well, that's right. I'm in the girls section. Do you know what we're doing today?
What are we doing today?
Oh, you don't even know what we're doing today. Hey, this is my friend Callie. Say hi, Callie. Okay, thanks. Hi, Callie. Did you just say hi, Callie, when I said hi, Callie?
No.
She didn't.
She did. Stop backing her up, Maggie. Step in the frame if you're gonna talk to me. Maggie's fine. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, eat. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, what's up?
Can you settle an argument for me and Josh?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get sunburned?
Yes, I can get sunburn.
Frick. I said you couldn't get sunburned.
Like some black?
No, because... Frick, Josh, you were right all along.
Don't doubt me. Do not doubt
It's the
me.
power,
Ready to go?
power of the...
Ready to go?
Yeah, let me talk to Joshua fast. Yo, I forgot it was her birthday. Yeah, like until like this morning. So we actually don't have anything planned for her.
We've been trying.
Hey! Yeah,
I know.
Don't tell her that we don't have anything
I'll
planned.
do my best. Yeah.
Because we've been so busy.
Yeah. Well, I've been busy. Hey!
Yeah, you've been busy. I've been
You-
vlogging. Ah! Happy birthday! And I'll just cut to someone singing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Children must be accompanied by an adult.
The helicopter.
Callie.
I'm an adult.
Not yet.
I'm an adult.
When did she turn?
What's that noise?
No, it was only an hour ago.
Happy birthday. We need to sing happy birthday again.
So, Callie,
Yeah.
if you die,
My birthday?
yeah, I mean, yeah, you would add a good 18 years, right? Oh. That's all right. That's all right. I didn't die.
Drop the camera.
One-handed? No, I'll never drop this camera, Josh. Get out of here.
You'd rather fall than drop the camera.
I'll rather fall than drop the camera. What was that?
I don't know.
We'll find him at the bottom and, it'll just be
Camera's collector's hand.
his face says it's rolling down.
We're gonna do some cool montage scenes about like climbing the rocks. No, Ben, go left. Josh is trying to lead us astray so he can cook us and eat us. Look, there's caution tape. We're going through the caution tape. We don't listen to rules. That's what we're doing for Callie's birthday. We're breaking all the rules for her birthday. Through the caution tape. Josh. Yo, give it to me straight. Are we lost?
Quite lost.
Definitely lost.
And I lost the map. Yeah.
You actually had a map?
No.
Oh, okay, yeah. But really, though. Are we lost? Oh, hey, Cal. Hi. Yeah, wait, birthday! Birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Was it too high?
Happy birthday
Okay, back to the cool montages.
to you.
Look! Found another path, so we're gonna go back to find the lookout, but I don't know, something seems kind of peculiar about this place. Oh well.
We're not talking about you, it's okay.
Wow, look at the view! Oh, gosh.
Mike, can I take a picture of you?
Dang! There. Happy birthday, Kelly.
Thank you very much.
One day, this all can be yours.
Everything the light touches?
Just kidding. You can't because it's the States, West
States.
Virginia.
I became dictator of the world, I guess.
Yeah, one day you could take over the world.
You never know.
Alright. On to present number 2. Hey, well, we made it. Callie doesn't even want to talk about it. Alright, we're on our way. Well, happy birthday. Bet you didn't think I'd get you a whole waterfall for your birthday. I told you, one day, all of this could be yours.
Thank you, Rizzo. What a great birthday present. Sunglasses. Those are girl sunglasses.
I don't care, I'll wear them. Alright. There you go. It's slippery like a fake slip and slide, except for you die when you go off the slip and slide.
If we fell, we fall right down the waterfall and we die.
Yeah, but she lived a good 18 years. Alright guys, here we
18
go! We made it. showered, got dinner. Well, we haven't eaten dinner, but we got dinner. So let's get Kelly for her special birthday dinner.
I'll take the video.
While everyone else is eating Chinese, I'm being healthy, bro. So is Dave.
Trying.
Ben? Yeah, an egg roll. I respect that though.
I shook this thing up. What a mess.
Maggie, what are you eating?
I am eating sweet and sour chicken.
Sweet and sour chicken,
Also sweet and sour.
but it's not as good as my salad. Time to go.
Hanging out with each other.
We rape dogs?
No, that's not what I said. With a T, raped.
Well, even though it's Callahan's birthday, happy birthday, Callahan, and we're so happy that you're here with us. But I got a special package today, so I'm gonna open up my special package today. I know who it's from, but I'll tell you that after I open it because I hope it's the thing I think it is.
It's not.
Then I will cry.
I will laugh.
All right. Switchblade.
Would you like some scissors?
Can I please fuck? Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Before I open this, I really want you to know that I think you're really special, and that I don't know what I would do without you. Coffee mug. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh.
You held them up.
I don't want to look at it. 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 Look at it. Look at it. Oh. That's freaking out. I'm in that Gauze army. Things are falling behind the camera. You can't even see it. That's what I'm talking about.
Gauze army, and ho, I am the Gauze captain.
That Gauze shirt. I'm in the Gauze army. Thank you, Dre. Yo, are you gonna be in the frame or out of the frame? You gotta pick one.
You were flailing around. I couldn't.
Thank you, Dre, so much for that merch. You know, link in description or in the bio. All right, go support my boy Dre. AKA Black Dre. Black Dre. Birthday is officially over in like 1 hour, but Callie, hope you had a good birthday.
I did. It's all thanks to you, Rizzo.
Oh, thanks to you. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna end the vlog there. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget like and subscribe, and also check out Black Dre. You know what I'm saying? All right, so peace. Take it easy.